Welcome back to part 2 of my video. This recipe is how to make hamburger patties. My ingredients are listed below in the description box. So let's get straight into the video. In a small mixing bowl, add in 1 pound of ground turkey and a squirt of ketchup. Dump in your dry seasonings: Hamburger Seasoning, Bouillon, Old Bay, Oregano, accent, and parsley. You're gonna chop up a purple onion. I had a leftover onion that I hadn't used, so I'm just gonna chop him up and set him to the side. Cut off the tip of the yellow onion, then thinly slice the onion until you get to the root. Once you've made it to the root, you're going to cut it off and dispose of it. Next, I'm going to slice some juicy red tomatoes and set them to the side. Now, my red and yellow onions are chopped up. In my bowl of meat and dry seasonings, I'm adding in my purple and yellow onions. Also, I'm going to pour in 1/4 of a cup of breadcrumbs. With my hands, I'm going to combine all of these ingredients. Make sure that you mix all of your ingredients thoroughly to be sure that your meat is evenly seasoned.
Perfect.
Now let's start shaping the hamburger patties. With 1 pound of ground turkey, you can make at a minimum of 4 nice sized hamburger patties. Your hamburger patties need to be a nice size because once you start cooking them, the hamburgers tend to shrink. In a large pan, I grilled sliced onions and garlic. In this same pan, I'm adding in my freshly homemade patties. On a medium-high heat, I'm going to cook my patties for about 5 minutes on each side. I have to make sure my hamburger patty is well done. He needs to be brown on the inside. So I slice him in the middle to make sure he's fully cooked. This is my favorite part, dressing my burger. I'm going to add all of my meat. On top of that, I'm going to place my grilled onions and garlic. Adding my romaine lettuce on top of my grilled onions and garlic. Now I'm placing on my thinly sliced tomatoes. 2 tomatoes to a burger. Next, I'm going to place on my cheese. I prefer not to use sliced cheese. I just want a little bit of the little cheesy flavor. So instead, I'm using shredded cheese. To top my burger off, I'm adding mustard and ketchup.
Perfect.
This concludes my video. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell and share my channel with everybody in your contacts. Bye.